here. Where? I don't know, this guy just fucking went over everybody with oil. Alright, so first things first, you jump off the horse. We got a medic on standby? He got the magazine out of his sidearm and his weapon disconnected. Yes. Do we have a medic? Ian! Ian! Hey, stop. What are you saying? Ah! Medic!
Yes.
Oh shit! Stop! You're on there! Fuck! Drop the money guard! This one! Watch your fire! You down? He's down! Where's all the ammo?
Yes, yes, they're good! Yes, da, look at the hat! Nice! There's everything neat! Alright, take the last one.
Here's our problem, Mr. Tanner. You don't have the super fuel, I'm turning you back over to NATO.
You must do what you must do.
I know you wanted to execute him when he came in. It was only useful because he had information. He said his super fuel is gone with the wind.
It's gone with the wind. Is that French for the Soviets have it at Summit?
Well,
That's what I heard.
there is still one more fuel source. Except, I don't know if he, we, she, he, it, 10, 15 men must bring it, or some simple man must just whack it up straight up. So there is still fuel to be found. However, I will say, they have the majority. You could take it. You could take what it needs to be taken. I could show you, perhaps.
Sounds to me like he's talking about the yellow cake uranium.
Yes, and so. You know where some was?
I know where some was, some is, and some were big.
So, what I'm being told, off of my sources, is that they collected the majority of the staff of the yellow cake uranium. I believe they're holding it at Summit. Because they just got one out of their positions here, so they're falling back to Summit.
They're looking to refine it. They're trying to get it out of here so they can refine it.
Yeah, that's all they can do.
It's not stable as is.
So it sounds to me we gotta go take one.
That's the only information I have from him. That should all be yours. I have no interest in uranium.
NATO is very interested in making sure that uranium gets put in the right hands. So I think we're gonna have to go full
The UN
scale.
would be happy with that.
So I think we need to do a full.
Whoa!